Alright, back again guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you would please. Nice to see you back. Here we are, we're putting, this is the fun part. We've done all the busting, we've got all the dirt out of the way, got all the rust away. Now we're going to stand to watch paint dry. Okay, the penetrol takes a while to dry. Luckily it's reasonably hot, we're in the 30 degrees, so it's drying pretty quick. In the thin areas where it's thick, of course it doesn't. But then we hit it with a zinc primer, or zinc, I'm actually using this black one. Very good quality zinc primer to help build up the layers of paint so we can protect the steel. And then once we do that, then we hit it with the single pack epoxy enamel, okay, which we've done over there. You see that? So we can protect the steel for when we dome it. We've got to let that dry a little before we start putting the concrete on. This one here now has to dry, and then we can put the enamel on that, and we'll go up to there and do that one up the other end, which we're still waiting for the penetrol to dry up there. So yeah, 3 layers of paint to help protect the steel before we put concrete back and bring the domes up higher. Okay, catch you again soon. Hit that like button. Thanks guys, see ya.